What's up, people? Welcome back to Tailor-Made Kicks. Shout out to all the sneakerheads, collectors, and all those who like fly kicks. Today, we're going to be doing a sneaker review on the last must-have sneaker of the year, the Jordan 11 Gratitude. Check it out. Okay, people, let's get into the box. You'll see gold Jordan Jumpman logo on the top of the box. You'll see a 23 in gold on the side of the box. And Jordan 11s normally come in like a locker type box. These are more close to it, but it's just like a open up from the top box. So once you get the box open, you'll see on the top of the box it says gratitude or thank you, and I think this is like Roman numerals or something like that. So all across the white paper, you'll see gratitude in different languages. I got these from GOAT. So if you get any sneakers from GOAT, StockX, things of that nature, you'll see a green sticker that reminds you that this sneaker was checked out to make sure it's absolutely 100% authentic. And not a fake, people. We don't want the fakes. We don't want the fakes. Alright, let me read the shoe tab for y'all. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? The shoe tab reads Air Jordan 11 Retro. The colorway is white, metallic gold, and black. I got mine in a size 8.5. Sizing wise, I would say if you have narrow feet or you don't like a snug fit, go up a half size. But I have narrow feet and I like a snug fit, so I'm gonna say true to size for me. If you have a wider foot or you don't like that snug fit, go up half a size in Jordan 11s. So I got mine from GOAT. The retail release date is December 9th. I think they're going to be $230. I got mine early from GOAT. I think I paid $260, so that wasn't that bad. It was a early quick cop. $30 over retail isn't that bad. Let's get into the sneaker, people. The year is 1995, 96-ish, when the original Concords were released. Then we have the DMP pack, which means Defining Moments, which you had a DMP Jordan 11 and a DMP Jordan 6. So this is the Gratitude version of the Concords, which, if you don't know, the definition of gratitude is thankful or return to, or, just appreciation, I would say. So this is arguably the greatest sneaker of all time. Most people have Jordan 11 Concords as the greatest sneaker of all time. Not the greatest Jordan, the greatest sneaker of all time. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all think the Jordan 11 Concord is the greatest sneaker of all time, or if the Jordan 11 Concord is the greatest Jordan sneaker of all time. Let me know your thoughts. For me, I'm going to go Jordan 4 White Cement as my greatest or favorite sneaker of all time. Okay, people, let's get into it. So this is as close to Concord as we'll probably get for a while. And I gotta say, this is a must-have, man. This is definitely a must-have. This is the last must-have sneaker of 2023. I'll probably be wanting another pair, but I'll break these down real quick. So, the outsole is normally on the Concords or other Jordan 11s is black track pads, and you'll either see a translucent bottom or like a red bottom on the breads, depending on the colorway of the sneaker, maybe black, whatever. But this one has a cell type bottom, which gives it the vintage look. So even when your sneaker is getting older, you're not going to see yellowing, or what do they call it? Outside. I forget the word. Y'all let me know in the comments. But when your sneakers start yellowing, so they already give you that to start off the sneaker, which I'm not mad at. I love that beautiful translucent, like a lighter blue on the bottom, but this one may last longer. The patent leather on here is nice and shiny, and it's tumble leather underneath on the upper. So I want to say that normally this is like a mesh, and the tongue would be mesh right here, but it's all tumble leather on these, which also prevents some of that early yellowing. You'll see a gold Jordan Jumpman logo on the side heel instead of a black one, which would be on the Concords. You'll see a gold 23 on the back ankle, which could be a white 23 for Concords or a white 45 for the comebacks. You'll see in the inside tongue, it says inspired by the greatest basketball player ever, and it says thank you once again in those Roman numeral letters. The insole has a number 23 on it instead of a Jordan Jumpman logo. Nice beautiful white rope shoelaces. I would advise against any swap outs. Keep these OG just like they are. But I'm not mad at this shoe, man. It was definitely a must-have. Definitely a double up. On the bottom of this sneaker, you'll notice it has track pads, and it sits on top of a carbon fiber plate, which is why Jordan switched out from the lows, which were the original Jordan 11s. He switched out from the lows because he had hurt his foot wearing these. This was before people were balling in low top sneakers. So he swapped out of these into these. This is the original, or the most established colorway is the white with the black leather, or what's known as the Concord version. You'll see people wear these at weddings. You'll see people wear these with just at any kind of event with a suit or a tux. This is the ultimate basketball sneaker that is also referred to as luxury. So I've never had the Concord colorway. I had the breads, which are black and red. Now let me know what y'all favorite Jordan 11 colorway is. And I also had the UNCs, or the Columbia Blue Legends, which were white and like a baby blue, or Columbia Blue / UNC Blue it's supposed to be. And can't forget the cool grades. I'll probably be breaking these out soon. The cool grays with the translucent bottom. I love these. These are probably my favorites out of what I have now. Y'all let me know what y'all favorite colorway is in the Jordan 11. Alright people, I'm gonna say, if I had to rate this sneaker, I would rate this sneaker a 10 out of 10 sneaker. No, it's not a Concord, but it's as close as we're probably gonna get. And I like the white tumble leather better than the mesh. Y'all let me know in the comments, do y'all like the tumble leather upper, or do y'all like the mesh leather, the mesh upper? Are these a wear, stash, or resell? I'm gonna say I'm trying to grab a double up so I can have a wear and a stash, people. They release on December 9th. Make sure y'all get into those raffles so you can try to squeak out a pair at retail price. Because probably in a couple months, the price for these will be skyrocketing. But that is TaylorMade Kick sneaker review. I'll show a quick on-foot look. Y'all let me know in the comments. I will say that I prefer wearing a sneaker like this or a basketball sneakers with shorts, just because it shows all the details. But these still look fly in jeans and with sweatpants as well. You can pretty much wear these with anything. That is a main plus of why people gravitate to this shoe, because of the colorway, because of the patent leather luxury look. This is an iconic stated motto in every sneakerhead should probably have a pair. Okay, make sure y'all once again, make sure y'all have like, shared, commented, and subscribed to the channel. Let's get this algorithm moving. Stay tuned for the TaylorMade Kicks live show every Wednesday at 8 p.m. where you can ask any question on sneaker, and we also do reviews and thoughts on upcoming drops. Y'all let me know if this was a must-have for you, a cop or a drop, in the comments. Don't forget to hit that live bell notification. We are out of here, people. Stay tuned until the next time. I will be getting back into my 90s series, best era of sneakers collection, sneaker reviews. I'll be dropping more of those soon. But we are out of here, people. Deuces.
He's got troopers. Don't play. NBA championship. Make it 4 in 6 years.